Hello everyone, welcome back to M365 Professional. Customizing SharePoint Pages, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. SharePoint is a powerful collaboration and content management platform that enables organizations to create, store, and share information efficiently. One of its key features is the ability to customize pages to enhance user experience, improve accessibility, and align with organizational branding. Customizing SharePoint Pages allows users to modify layouts, add web parts, integrate branding elements, and optimize navigation. This guide explores different methods of customizing SharePoint Pages and best practices for achieving an effective design. Understanding SharePoint Pages before diving into customization. It is essential to understand the types of pages available in SharePoint. Site pages, used for general content and team collaboration. Web part pages, designed for placing multiple web parts in a structured layout. Publishing pages, used for structured content publishing in SharePoint Online and SharePoint Server. Methods for customizing SharePoint Pages. There are various ways to customize SharePoint Pages, ranging from built-in design options to advanced coding techniques. 1. Using built-in SharePoint features. SharePoint provides several built-in tools that allow users to customize pages without coding. Modern page editing. SharePoint Online and SharePoint 2019 Plus allow easy drag-and-drop functionality for adding and arranging web parts, themes, and branding. Customize colors, fonts, and logos via SharePoint settings. Header and footer customization. Modify navigation and branding elements, sections and columns. Organize content into structured layouts for better readability. 2. Adding and configuring web parts. Web parts are reusable components that display content and functionalities on SharePoint pages. Users can add web parts such as text, images, videos, news, and lists. Configure web parts for dynamic content like calendars, forms, and Power BI reports. Use the quick links web part for easy navigation to important resources. 3. Using Power Automate for dynamic content. Power Automate can be integrated into SharePoint Pages to automate workflows, such as approvals for content publication, automatic notifications for updates, data synchronization across SharePoint lists and libraries. 4. Customizing with SharePoint Designer. For advanced users, SharePoint Designer offers deeper customization capabilities. Modify master pages and page layouts. Create and edit workflows for automation. Customize list and library views. 5. Customizing with SharePoint Framework SPFX for developers. The SharePoint Framework SPFX provides a robust way to create custom solutions. Build client-side web parts using JavaScript, React, or Angular. Extend SharePoint functionalities using aka.ms and Microsoft Graph. Develop fully customized components that integrate seamlessly with SharePoint Online. 6. Using PNP patterns and practices for reusable components. Microsoft's PNP community provides scripts and templates for automating page and site customization, creating reusable templates for consistency across sites. Best practices for customizing SharePoint Pages to ensure a seamless and efficient SharePoint experience. Follow these best practices. Plan your layout. Define a clear structure for your pages before customizing. Use consistent branding. Align colors, fonts, and logos with your organization's branding. Optimize for performance. Avoid excessive scripts and large images that may slow down loading times. Ensure accessibility. Follow accessibility guidelines to make pages usable for all users. Test customizations. Validate changes on different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility. Leverage out-of-the-box features. Whenever possible, use SharePoint's built-in tools to minimize maintenance efforts. Maintain security. Follow best practices for permissions and data governance when customizing pages. Conclusion. Customizing SharePoint Pages enhances user experience, improves collaboration, and aligns with business needs. Whether using built-in features, adding web parts, or developing custom solutions with SPFX, users can tailor SharePoint to meet their organization's requirements. by following best practices. Organizations can create visually appealing, functional, and efficient SharePoint pages that maximize productivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us for more informative video. Thank you.